This is the new, all-electric Ford F-150 Lightning. It wasn't long ago that the idea of an electric F-150 sounded insane.
And it actually is kind of insane.
The iconic F-150 will soon be available as a battery-powered, torque-generating beast. In fact, the new 563-horsepower Lightning outpowers the high-performance 450-horsepower F-150 Raptor by a decent margin. The Lightning's batteries are housed inside a separate metal frame that supports the weight of the truck and its cargo. It was important to Ford engineers that the Lightning feel as close to a normal F-150 as possible, but riding in it does feel and sound very different.
So we're getting ready to go up a steep hill. Ordinarily, in a gas truck, you hear the engine revving, the transmission downshifting. In an electric truck, it's just going up the hill.
The truck will initially be available with two battery pack sizes. The larger battery pack will enable up to 300 miles of driving. The smaller battery pack and less expensive models will enable an estimated 230 miles of driving before the truck has to recharge.
One of the big challenges in the pickup truck world is, where do I put all the stuff I don't want to leave outside in the bed? Well, to answer that question, Ford claims the biggest frunk in the business.
This is one of the upsides of the electrification of the F-150. No big engine means more storage. Prices for the F-150 Lightning will start at just under $40,000, not including any federal and state tax incentives. More luxurious versions costing over $90,000 will also be available. Ford expects to begin deliveries in the spring of 2020.
So I'm in the new Ford F-150 Lightning, and to start it up, well, you do the same as you normally would. The start button's down here, but what happens after, well, that's totally different. No engine roar, no exhaust bark, just absolute silence. And of course, the little electric vehicle tone.